We're back with the Oreos. Grab one single Oreo. Make sure it's not pressed or cracked. You don't want to break this. This is like, pretend like this is a baby. You don't want to hurt a baby. Anyway, grab a plastic cup. Don't grab it. You can grab a glass or plastic. Don't grab metal, else you'll burn the whole place down where you live. You can either use regular milk or chocolate milk. But this time, I've used regular milk so much that I'm going to try chocolate milk. You only want about, like, count 5 seconds when you're pouring. Don't really pour that much. There we go. And then you put it in the microwave. For wait. You need to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. If it doesn't work for 45 seconds, then you can do it for 1 minute and then stop it at 15 seconds. If you do it for 1 minute, that might start a fight. So don't do it for 1 minute. Or if you can only do 20 and 20, do that. 20 and 20 is perfect. You only do, like, add 20 seconds to done. Don't be like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, you know. But you know what I'm talking about. You guys are chill. Okay, I didn't. Hopefully that was enough. Dude, I put in a little less because it already had 10 in it. Grab it towards the top. And it might just look crazy. Which it's supposed to look crazy, but not too crazy or else it will be burnt. Anyway, grab a fork from wherever your forks are. Stir around. You don't want any more of that Oreo left. Oh man, that was not a long time, so I need to put it back in. Probably. No, I think I'm good. You want to make sure there's not that much puffy stuff. But once you taste this and you love Oreos, then you'll love this. So, there we go. And if you want to add a little bit extra, add a little bit extra. So basically, when I mean by extra, I mean, some chocolate. And then you have to crush it and then melt it. But my fork can do that job. Anyway, why did I do that? That's so sus. And then you need to grab a bowl that's little. 1 sec. Melt it for 2 minutes. Well, no, not 2 minutes. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Or if you can't do that much, just do it 1 minute. If you do it too long, it could get burnt. That's why I didn't do it too long. It should be done in about 20 seconds. No. In about 42 seconds. And then it should be done. Anyway, if you want, you can keep on stirring. Make sure there's no cookie lumps. It should look like this. Wait, let me put the camera on. That's what it should look like. I know, it looks like nothing because it's inside a black cup. It's according to be about 10 seconds. And it's about done. If it's not melted enough and it looks like this, it looks ugly. Grab a spoon, smear it around there, and then let it drip in. If you don't have enough on it, if you want to, you can put Oreos in back and smush them, but that's a little too much for that. Add a drip of this, and then you need to mix it up again. Leave in there about for 10 minutes and then come back. Okay, it's about ready. Here we go, the dessert changa. It's basically a cake, but in a cup. You don't have that much of it. So enjoy, please.